we can
Go out the other way?
get out that way.
Okay, we'll turn around. You go by it. Oh. That's right. You had to push a button to be able to talk. We said, we'll pull in here. You go around us. Good morning, everybody. Actually, it is afternoon, I think. Yep, it's afternoon.
Yep.
We have been at the, well, Aja and Scotty were at the bike shop. Aja was trying to get her bike fixed, and now we are heading down to the water. So we'll take you guys along.
Lots of cool bikes. Oh, well.
Okay, go ahead.
And there's all kinds of neat bikes. There was I hadn't been in a bike shop in a long time. But I do like I think my favorite are going to be the electric ones because they look like the way to go. Push a button and go.
And I want to turn this around so you guys can see these old buildings. We are in Pueblo, Colorado, downtown, and this is really pretty down here. We're going to kind of cruise through real quick, but we'll show you guys a little bit of it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
It's been raining outside and all the little babies are... Oops, you guys can't see that very well. I think if I open up the door, I'm going to end up scaring them. Oh, yeah, they're being very cautious. Look at them all. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm not sure what that's all about. Scott? There are frogs in here.
Moo was growling.
Moo was growling. That one's kind of making funny noises at me. All right, I'm gonna shut the door. It's too cold out there. I'm not sure how cold it is, but it's cold.
Eating it, huh?
Oh my gosh, it's frogs.
They're big.
How do you cook those?
Just fry them up.
So skin them and then batter them in whatever you want. Then you just fry them up.
Oh, wow.
Legs.
They look yummy. Heck yeah.
Oh, Scotty's had frog legs before. I have
Yeah.
not.
They're good. Right
Wow.
on.
So, do you have to have a license to catch them?
Just a fishing license.
To catch frogs even.
Is there like a limit? Or
I
do you...
think it's either 10 or 12 per fishing license.
Oh,
Wow.
We're we're from Washington
Yeah,
State,
we
a
don't-
long ways away.
We don't know anything about that.
To Washington.
Do what?
We're trying to move to Washington.
Are you?
Oh.
It is beautiful up there.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. And if you like
cool.
fishing, there's all kinds of fishing up there. What parts are you thinking of going
Very
to?
different.
Around Olympia.
Oh, okay. Beautiful there, right on the edge of the peninsula.
Yep. Yep. Moomoo's having a little break from Panda, and she's gonna stay over here with us for just a little bit. And that was kind of interesting to see what they catch here in this river. It's a little bit different than what Scotty and I are used to.
I've never caught a frog on a lure,
Yeah.
let alone even see big
Well, I know
frogs
you've
like
eaten
that.
frog legs before.
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
not ever eaten frog, but I know that it's
Tastes like chicken, they
yeah, I
say.
know that people from this region like to eat frogs, so that was kind of different for me to see
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
What do you think? Moo was really trying to get out there to those frogs. She really wanted to check that out. Anyways, all right, well, we're just sitting by this beautiful river and
Gonna watch the storm go by.
gonna watch that storm go by. We just got a warning of, what was it? What size hail was it? Moo,
Dime.
come.
Dime.
Come.
Maybe she
Dime
has-
size.
I'll
so-
walk her. I'll take
Oh,
her for a
you
walk
might
or
have to go potty. Okay.
Hold on, baby. I'll take you
gonna
for a
take
walk.
you. All right. Well, we're just hunkering down for a little bit until the storm passes. Well, it's still pretty nasty out here, and the little babies. Oh. I think I startled them. They're just up here feeding. Ooh, it's chilly. Chilly, chilly, chilly out there. What was the sub that your dad was on?
It was on the Nautilus, the first nuclear-powered submarine.
Yeah.
But many more before that.
Oh, yeah.
Happy Memorial Day, everybody, from Terry and I. I'd like to put a big thank you out to all our past, present, and future service people. We love you. We appreciate you. Dad, I miss you. Have a good weekend.